Hey guys, here's the clay markers that Mr. Shilly put down. Remember, each one is another second of motion for that steel ball. And we're gonna use this video to write down the distances that the ball traveled for every second, okay? So, starting at the beginning of the meter stick, write down the distance of 0 seconds and 0 meters. And then the next, after 1 second, you're going to write a distance of 0 point something meters. 0 point, I put a question mark there. Your job is to fill in the question mark with whatever's number is here. So this will be 0 point, actually, this one will be 0.0 question mark. So you could fill in 0.08, I would write for this one, okay? Now, your next row in your data table will be time of 2 seconds and 0 point something for distance. You can look at what number is right here. 0 point, what number is there. And continuing on, 3 seconds. You can look at, pause the video and write down 0 point something for distance. And then for a time of 4 seconds, you could write down a distance of 0 point something. And then we get to 1 meter mark before we get to the next one. The next row will be 5 seconds, and then because we passed the 1 meter mark, it's 1 point something for distance. Remember, your unit for distance is meters here. And then going on to the next, the 6th second, 1 point question mark. You write down whatever number's here. 1 point something. Then we're going to pass the 2 meter mark. Getting to the last clay, 7 seconds, it should say a distance of 2 point something. So 2 point, whatever number is here, 2 point what for distance? You could measure it.